Okay, Zelda. Yeah, I want to film. You're gonna have to move. Yeah. Gonna move? Gonna move? Oh, Zelda says no. Hello, welcome back to Helly Handmade. Today we're going to be making one of these lovely little roses. These are going to be ones that I'm using for my wedding. I'm also hoping to make these into bouquets anyway for my shop, which obviously Etsy, link down below. But yes, I'm going to show you how I make one of these today. So stay tuned and I'll show you what's happening. So what I use first is I have 3 floral wires, which are, if you can see, the Oasis ones. I bought these from Hobbycraft. They're quite thin, but I like to use 3 simply because I like to twist them. So once they're twisted together, they're a bit more sturdy and able to move and stay in that position. Because the flowers that I put onto them don't always stay in that position, and I obviously want a longer length for it to become the stem. So I start off by literally twisting these. So 2 pairs of pliers, they're usually the flathead, tiny little jewellery ones, and clamp it into the ends, and then all I do is twist it. So I'll try and get as much as I can on camera. Now the shape does go out a little bit, but that's fine. You rarely see flowers that are going to stay into one shape anyway. Well, the stems I should say. So I continue to twist this. Hopefully my phone is picking this up. But just continue to twist, and as they spray out I just pull them back and try and straighten what I can, and then I will move further up the stem that I've twisted and keep doing. So hopefully, as you can see, it starts to twist. I'm not sure if the camera, I don't think my phone's picking it up as well as it should, but yeah, it starts to twist out. Let me see. Oh, doesn't want to do it, right. There we go. That's the stem done. Time to add the petals. Let's get on with it. So I use double-sided sticky tape for these bits. Doesn't take too much. Just the petals are nice and fiddly. So you might not be able to see as well of what I'm doing right now just because of how small these petals are. But it's Hold on, there we go. I always seem to shut up when I'm concentrating, so I'm sorry. I will keep trying. Anyway, so we get that on, you get your stem round and you start twisting it and you carry that on. There we go. Right, so you can see here the tissue paper starts to make its own sort of mould, so it's folded over a little bit like obviously roses do anyway. I generally let the paper do what it feels is natural to it, making it sound like it's a person. But they do look better as I add more petals to it. It starts to get thicker and just look a lot nicer. There we go, that's the first size done. So what we do now is just spray it with some hairspray, let it dry, and then I spray it once more with hairspray, let it dry again, and then we'll go on to the next sizes. So it's a few days later and I'm back. So yes, we've finished our flower, which is going to be added to the rest of my flowers. I've just got a whole bunch of grey to make, so I might bring you on the journey for all of those. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!